Hi, good day. My name is Nay, and I have some app script created here inside Google Sheet. And the sole purpose of this app script is to simplify the view of every overwhelming data that we have on Google Sheets. So, say for example, I will be inputting some data here. Two for Nay, that is being requested, and then two for Valentina. One for Nay is inclusive in high priority, and then the other one is medium. And for Valentina, project belongs for Inca or Grace, and it's listed in progress, and the other one completed. Let's try and test out the project's overview tab. Say, for example, for Nay, hit on in progress and set it to priority, which is medium. Try to hit search, and every bit of information that are based off the text that you input on the search bar will reflect here based out of the raw data in the request tab. So as you can see, Nay has six in progress projects that are in medium priority down below. Um, Now let's try and test out something that is very much specific. Um, let's try to hit the clear button and then test out once again something like this. And priority is medium. Let's search for a certain word, simply saying ATP. And it has no matching found because up in here, there is no data that has a project that says ATP under Nay. Now, let us try to change another one. Hit the clear button, search for Valentina, priority to low, and then in progress. Search for a specific, for example, client name that Valentina had, say Inca. Hit on search, and it shows you everything that was listed here. Thanks for watching.